You save 70% of your income. You ate rice and beans for 10 years. You refused to go out to dinner with your friends. You drove a car that was falling apart, and you finally hit your number. You have $2 million in index funds. You are 35 years old. You quit your job. Now what? You sit on a beach? For 40 years? The FIRE movement, financial independence. Retire early is the biggest lie sold to high achievers in the last decade. It is a retirement lottery ticket wrapped in a scarcity mindset. It creates a life of anxiety, deprivation, and fragility. It teaches you to stop building and start dying slowly. The 1%, the true architects of wealth, do not retire. Elon Musk didn't sell PayPal and sit on a beach. He built SpaceX. Jeff Bezos didn't sell books and retire. He built Amazon. Architects don't want to escape their lives. They want to build lives they don't need to escape from. Today, on Wealth Architect, we are going to deconstruct the fire trap. I am going to show you why the 4% rule is mathematically broken for early retirees. I am going to expose the psychological damage of the scarcity mindset. And I am going to give you the optionality blueprint, the strategy that replaces a pile of cash with engines of cash flow so you can stop counting pennies and start building freedom today. Welcome back. I'm Ben. Here, we don't follow the herd. We design the path. Let's start with the diagnosis. Why is the FIRE movement so popular? Because the modern workplace is broken. People are burned out. They hate their bosses. They feel like slaves. So, when a blog tells them, hey, if you just save 70% of your money, you can escape in 10 years, it sounds like salvation. But the method they teach is extreme scarcity. The core philosophy of FIRE is spend less, cut the lattes, cut the Netflix, move to a smaller house, don't travel. This trains your brain to function like a consumer. You are constantly asking, how can I survive on less? This is a defensive posture. It is a shrink mindset. You can only cut your expenses to zero. There is a mathematical floor, but you can increase your income to infinity. There is no ceiling. The architect's truth. The 1% do not focus on cutting $5 lattes. They focus on adding $50,000 revenue streams. When you spend your 20s and 30s obsessing over pennies, you are atrophying your ability to make millions. You are becoming an expert in being poor, rather than an expert in creating value. We need to shift from how little can I spend to how much can I build. Now, let's look at the math. The entire FIRE movement rests on one fragile pillar, the 4% rule. This rule comes from the Trinity study. It says that if you have a portfolio of stocks and bonds, you can safely withdraw 4% of it every year for 30 years without running out of money. So, the FIRE formula is annual spending by 25 equals your number. If you spend $80,000 a year, you need $2 million. Once you hit $2 million, you quit. Why is this broken? 1. The 30-year problem. The Trinity study was designed for a 65-year-old who needs money to last until they are 95. If you retire at 35, you need the money to last 60 years. The math does not hold up over 60 years. Inflation eats you alive. Healthcare costs explode. 2. Sequence of returns risk. This is the killer. Imagine you hit your $2 million number today. You quit your job. Tomorrow, the market crashes 40%. Your $2 million is now $1.2 million. But you still need to withdraw your $80,000 to live. You are now withdrawing 6.6% of your portfolio just to survive. You are eating your seed corn. Mathematically, you will go bankrupt in 12 years. You will be 47 years old with a 10-year gap in your resume. trying to get an entry-level job. That is not financial independence. That is financial fragility that the architect does not rely on a safe withdrawal rate from a volatile pile of paper assets. The architect relies on cash flow. But let's assume the math works. Let's assume the market goes up forever. You hit your number. You retire. You move to Thailand or Portugal. You sit on the beach. Day 1. Amazing. Day 30. Pretty good. Day 365. You are depressed. Humans are not designed to relax for 40 years. We are designed to solve problems. We are designed to build. We are designed to be useful. When you remove work problem solving from your life, you remove your source of dopamine, status, and community. I have met dozens early retirees. They are some of the most anxious, bored people I know. They spend all day refreshing their portfolio app, terrified that a market correction will force them back to work. They traded a boss for a market algorithm. They are still slaves. They just changed masters. The retire to versus retire from shift. The goal shouldn't be to escape work. The goal should be to escape meaningless work so you can do meaningful work. Warren Buffett is 90+ years old. He is richer than God. Why is he still working? Because he loves the game. He is an architect. He didn't build wealth to stop. He built wealth so he could keep playing the game on his own terms. Okay, Ben, if fire is a trap, what is the solution? Do I work forever? No. You build engines. The fire strategy. Accumulate a massive pile of cash, $2 million, and hope it doesn't shrink. The architect strategy. Build a small engine of cash flow, $10,000 a month, that creates freedom now. Let's do the math. To generate $10,000 a month passively using the FIRE method 4% rule, you need $3 million in cash. How long does it take you to save $3 million? 15, 20 years of suffering? To generate $10,000 a month using the architect method, you need a specialized service business. A portfolio of 3 to 4 rental properties, a small digital product, or software. You can build a $10,000 a month cash flow engine in 2 to 3 years. Why is the engine superior? Speed. You get freedom in 3 years, not 20. Control. You control the business real estate. You don't control the S&P 500. Anti-fragility. If your business dips, you can fix it. If the stock market crashes, you are helpless. Your goal is not net worth. Net worth is a vanity metric. You can't buy groceries with net worth. Your goal is cash flow. Once you have the engine, you don't retire. You take mini retirements. This is a concept popularized by Tim Ferriss, and it aligns perfectly with the architect philosophy. Why wait until you are 65 and your knees hurt to hike the Alps? Why wait until you are 50 to write your novel? If you have a cash flow engine generating $5,000 or $10,000 a month, you can take 3 months off right now. You can go live in Bali for a year right now. And the best part? When you come back, the engine is still running. You haven't drained your savings. You haven't touched the principal. This is true wealth. True wealth is not a number in a bank account. True wealth is the ability to disconnect your time from your income. The FIRE movement tells you to defer your life for a payoff that might never come. The architect tells you to design a life you don't want to retire from. So, let's redefine the acronym. Keep the FI, financial independence. Throw away the retire early. Replace it with RF, recreational freedom, or OV, optionality value. The new goal. Phase 1. Build a cash flow skill, active income. Phase 2. Convert that cash into a cash flow engine. Business real estate. Phase 3. Once the engine covers your burn rate. $5,000, $10,000 mo. You are free. Phase 4. Use your freedom to swing big. Start a passion project. Consult for equity. Write a book. This is how the 1% live. They don't stop. They pivot. They don't hoard. They deploy. I want to leave you with a thought experiment. Imagine you stick to the fire path. You suffer for 20 years. You hit $3 million. You retire. You sit on a couch. You die with $3 million in the bank. You were the richest person in the graveyard. But you lived a life of no. No to the dinner. No to the trip. No to the risk. Now imagine the architect's path. You built a business. You took risks. You failed. You succeeded. You traveled while you were young. You worked on things that mattered. You die with $0 in the bank because you gave it all to your kids or charity, but you left behind a legacy of creation. Which life do you want? The spreadsheet says choose fire. Your soul says choose the architect. Don't let a calculator design your life. I want to know where you stand. The freedom audit. Are you currently saving for a number, fire? Or are you building an engine, cash flow? Tell me in the comments. I am building an engine to generate $_month. Put the number down. Make it real. And if you want to know how to build that first engine, specifically a business that runs without you, I had a masterclass on exactly that. It's the breakdown of the E-myth. You need to watch that next. Click here. Subscribe to build freedom, not just a savings account. I'll see you in the next blueprint.